guys, breaking news, guys. Information reaching us right now is that in the Bono region, a town called Wusukrum in the Bono region, just today, information reaching us today is that a 27-year-old lady who goes by the name Hagar Nyakwete, 27 years old lady, pregnant, 7 months pregnant, 7 months pregnant, 27 Hagar, went to farm. According to information, his husband's senior brother went to report to the police station that Madam Hagar has gone to the farmland and Madam Hagar hasn't come back home yet. So a search was made. The Ghana Police Service, the Bono Police District Command, they launched a search, and then to everyone's notice, they went to find Mrs. Hagar unalive with her throat. The minimum just right in the farmland. So the assailants who did this, the people who did this, nobody know who did, where they came from, who they are, and they've taken the life of Mrs. Hagar, 27 years old lady that was pregnant, 7 months old pregnant. The minimum there, the throat, they've sliced the throat with a very sharp object. Nobody, Charlie, Ghana. Guys, see you all later.
Yeah, I was saying. What I say, uncle, one tea I say so a bogos. Yoku, Maya, the Yamishamu, Maya, the pa. There is answer me at the police for Dioma, minim, near Sanko for Yama police for an intimate to mean check your native for Yoku. Any papa Kobako 320 and at your native for a kidnapping woman. Bonjour, Monje, ya bois, and women who was Yabre. Monje, a moon 25, the only suspect. May say, office back, and the Munipa, black 120. Office, a walk, Ashanti regions, a bro 100. It is office Munipabia, say, calculate it. Nipa be brain at your net as coming woman. A nipa be brain and at your net as coming woman. Yoko for yes, Ramwa, yes, Ramamunya into Namunchi woman, victims for no blossom. Oh, my actual woman, no money, median motion. Oh, my be brave. Musi Medio Yano Kamayang, Magana, Panon to my Pemfra, because almost Rimuba, Amobaya Comfort, almost Rimuba, Nassini Panwan Vinia, Oba, Ebaya, and Sarifo, Oba Baye, and no many crimes or ye, yes, Remu. Monye Ghana, youth means you. Kill net, a boom call for fast war Ghana, yes, Remu. Yedamasi, say Motimiachi, Sanko free. No man names so I kill net. No man names so I won't check net for Yoku, yes, Remu.
Chad has closed borders to Nigeria. Niger has closed borders to Nigeria. They shut direct borders. But in Ghana, our government has opened borders widely for Nigerians. But they will still come back and tell us that we are jealous of them and we are envious of them. We hate them. This is the kind of people we are dealing with. Yes, they are very, very ungrateful. And it's not because of anything, it's because Ghana, we are so hypocrites. We have taken the unity of Africa at our back, as if we are the only one that wants the unity of Africa. People are securing their country. Yes, because they know the damages. If America starts right now to bomb Nigeria, they can even stand and throw bombs to Chad, throw it to Niger, saying that they are harboring the Islamic terrorist group. The moment they destroy everywhere. And these people are running all the way, everywhere. Where are they going? They are coming to GH, the gateway of Africa, because our gate is always open, no padlock. Ghana border is a padlock. It's a padlock with master key. Everybody have master key. You can just go there and unlock it and enter. It's just like a guest house, hotel, dumping ground. Our leaders don't think about the security and the safety of this country on the name of African unity. On the name of African unity that people don't even care about. That others don't even care about. We have a long way to go. We are not saying we should sack them, but control them. Yes, that is it. Secure your borders. Protect your borders.
Fellow Ghanaians, guys. Yesterday, we all heard in the news, and I've seen so many people commenting and thanking and praising the President of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, for going out to donate some items and then some amount of money to Sudan, Cuba, and Jamaica. And you know, per the post online, you see people commenting, "Oh, God bless Ghana President. God bless you, Mr. President." And Ghana, we are, it's fine. If you want to praise, you can praise. But Ghana boy, I'm here to tell you the one they didn't show you. The one they didn't show you happened yesterday. And that one didn't happen in Sudan, it happened in Ghana. Just yesterday, in a town called Temasun, around the Kusasi area. 5 people one day, 5 people were unalive one day, yesterday, by unknown gunmen, according to the reports. Came and then they were marched according to what is in the news. They just unalive. At least by the time the report came, 5 people, Ghanaians, 5 Ghanaians, they were already unalive. This one, the media is not going to tell you that much. BBC is not going to tell you this one for you to go and comment. No. So Ghanaians, let's start asking questions. When is this going to end? How possible is it that we live in a country in Ghana where in a single day, 5 or 10 people can just be unalive? And you guys are not looking at this, you guys are not talking about this, and you are waiting for the president to go and donate to Sudan. Maybe I will see Sudan, or any man is Yana. Well, I'm in Kwena, or man from Cambridge, Dimatem.
Any country that have the most kidnappers in Africa. Any country where they kidnap where in Africa, not to fit me. Number 1, Nigeria. You see Nigeria? Everybody in Nigeria is rubbish. Every day they are kidnapping people in Nigeria and nobody is saying anything. Especially in Imo State, especially in Edo. Go and check Edo State or check Imo State. Every day they kidnap for there. Kidnappers have made it a work in Nigeria. To wake up in Nigeria now is a problem. Poor man in problem, rich man in problem. Both of us are suffering. Both of us are taking. All the bush in Nigeria, all the bush that surround Nigeria is filled with kidnappers. Nigeria is the worst. Not to fit me. Number 2, Nigeria. Nigeria is still number 2. Not to fit me for this life. The government are not even taking it serious. Have you ever seen on Tinubu platform? All the governors have platform. Have you ever seen them post say they kidnap this person? No, they can never post that kind of a thing. They can never post it. All the senators, all the governors, all the presidents in Nigeria, they can never post it. They can never even talk about it. How dare you negotiate with kidnappers? We are going to pay so amount of money for you to release this person. We are going to pay so. In America, they cannot do this rubbish. They will post it on social media. You people will run, donate money, and can go give them. They will leave the person. Sometimes if you donate the money, give them, they will stick by the person. And not, you people are talking Nigeria is good. Nigeria kidnappers don't they use camera. If they kidnap the person, they go post that for social media. Instead of you to trace it and get the people will leave it. Nobody will post. It's only today not and very dark man will post the thing. Other bloggers will not even post it. Nigeria is useless. If person come talk on social media and I will say defamation, I will carry the person go put for prison. Number 3, Nigeria, not to fit me. Nigeria, both the poor and the rich are not safe anymore. All the days, only the rich people are thinking about kidnappers. Only the rich people are thinking, if they kidnap people, but now poor people don't follow. Even all those boss when they enter, all those boss when they enter the travel, some of those boss are owned by kidnappers and you people don't know. Some of those drivers, when they enter their motor, they travel Lagos, Imo, all of them, some of them get contact with kidnappers, all of them they work with them, some of them. Nobody is safe in this country, both poor man and rich. All the days, if thief come to your house, you will say, hey, who is that? The thief will run. But this time around, the thief, they pursue the owner of the house in Nigeria. When you start fighting for your freedom, they will catch you. When you start fighting to survive, they will catch you. When you start fighting for betterment of Nigeria, they will catch you. That's the country where we're into. Kidnappers everywhere. We are struggling that we don't see even food to eat. All of us are suffering. Kidnappers are still kidnapping us. And people are doing nothing about it. People are not posting it. Once they post it, people will gather money and give to kidnappers. They will eat it. Why can't they kidnap another day?
And you say, Adiachi, Nasi, and Tias and Fufa, and Penny for say, Ayana Ichi, Ayara Hosem, Edio, there's a who they make campo. Hire Smaba TV. When they subscribe, and like and able to go Nyaka. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Who are in your comment section? Ozia, and we are Hosema free, region for Eba, which is Bono region, and Nase for Eba, and ne you could phone so it me about Jumasom, and I'm on Makonko Ghana, Makwakochi, and Crawford away. Zebia Oga Ghana boy, every do that. I say Doma West, 7 months pregnant woman founded on farm with treat everything Araho. Obi a wonyem 7 months. Ya just so we no crano, send the banda so ni yema nas eniyem. One. Ubisa say him for the disaboni o ya usia. Your body se ni da so ye biebio. ebie borders na nkrofo yi efom bad and de nyina. We are throwing light on what exactly going on in Ghana. Mpenifo no enye bibi mfa ho. Ya papa his excellent John Dramani Mahama say anya kwan kwa na abeye you. Any investors kwa na abefre you. And we will protect your mind. Must see our glory and our brighter future. Inti apemfo a omobewo yenjiri ma se bi omedi mumma de no na se ye yade no omo na ye kunkum omo e papa omo yem yi omo mei enti hefo na be yenjiri ma no ubisa odwene ho a wonti ase hefo na be yenjiri ma no e ka bia Ghana fo mpenifo ayenfofo am ka bi wum pedifo am de ma no tumi yiye anyomtofo ne asofo ne akonfo ene fofo ne nyina no wonka bi ma yewu na beto da obeka se ye kan yo ebeto da ebeye kakra na ekamia ye se asese biwo omani pani bi enim ebeto da ase ye kan ye ebeto da na ye nsem bibiri ebeto da na ye nsem bibiri yo ye ka che Ghana fo mpenifo Ebusia we Ghana boy a video. The other video so and so ye kum obi enipa 5 moa kwesasi ho baby yo ye nka ho asem ati niema pa aban no anase oman ne ye ne de ye be ka ho asem ba niema bone na ekoso na wose ye pointy finger on it said ye be ya sankofuko be jai no omo fie hwe se oman bebiri atoto omo bodesim na Ghana de etwi ye ni se ye de yentu ebodem Chad for aklusu omo boda a be Nigeria o Chad for aklusu omo boda Nigeria for so aklusu omo de Nigeria for and Nigeria for share eboshe aklusu no Chad for aklusu omo de cause on betime wura Chad de be wura Ghana ba Ghana ye bi o borders and hwese ye kum military fan say immigration for mo masisi asem na nya reho bi mu ye kan ehun say ye devin bia be shemu bi mu ye check unit for de bia okromu a na ye jawo mo no masa akofo mo gwangi bi hwe nipa enne yukofo akwache wo mo ngufo hwe Yuku has arrested 320 people in Kumasi in a kill net crackdown. 25 are suspect traffickers. The 295 are believed to be victim led with fake job offers. Made a video about it. Ye dada nkrofodom ko Mali all in the name of Galamsey. Na ye kwa kwatwom condemn QNet nti ochina meye video mi ankasa me nyonko ene de decide we edi no QNet ma ye ka che ne se omu kwa Galamsey no be chef onko site wo bi se de ne tin be ne betwa ne ka 2000 ho sikam e baga ne sikam 7000 kwasia nga Ghana MP fo ina beja akotena Mali ho akwa ye Galamsey fo dwan edi hwe nipa hodwa ya chi wo mu Kumasi omu ye QNet me catch wo say asad now na crime bi esi na ye ka wansam ebi hyede mu ye bi enne na ye ka se nkrofo ba Nigeria for yempa momo ye nyese no ebi fi Nigeria mo ba asad na mo ba ebi ni immigration for eba gani Roma ba Ghana immigration officers ni nkrofo bi asebe ebi mo full Ghana airport obo wuro mi sisi ya border obo wuro mi sisi ya utwa kakra bi a ona wo kro no utwa kakra bi a wo na wo kro no airtime ho emobo Nigeria ni we catch said the most kidnapping country Nigeria. Miensa obo miensa first Nigeria, second Nigeria, third Nigeria. E kuben ye kidnap ni pache Nigeria, kuben ye kuni pache Nigeria. Yet these people are coming bro. Ebia asena ye kana asa agoro, asa asempa. Omu wrom giti. Me say o he oji information si free borders ahodoa. Enipa ebom ye Nigerians foreigners na busua omo dosu bebre enu ni momo a omo so omo basa unu momo omo akra omo basa unu documented nkofo omo man nkofo be wuro misa Ibukin ɛnim sɛ ne tumi no de akɔnka wɔ biara awusia na mkoye a video bi on different platforms so about Igbo King issue ko interview konfo bi and the things or na no kind na nsema de maso teyen me mu kra de ahye me osi nya afi osi nipa kra nwo 2025 ka de say nipa nwo afi ko na nipa be wu mo 2026 nipa be wu mo ti se wa buchira ema ka ho ono marema o banso na wo nkwa na be ba fine o banso atu da okay be be ko bia make sure you protect yourself spiritually, physically enye sa obi be kun kwa obi do be hana mama ne se on penis won tie me Ghana boy me see me who so report asem ne wo TikTok ana say do si kasa no me Ghana boy I was nka onya abotre but me say yawo any pressure bi no dey kasa utimi say ade ne ye ne ya because brothers go krum ho anya dagere e project ne papa yura his excellency aban ene ne nkrofo eye ba ne maboni ekoso de omu nso mu obi ehun se ne maboni se ne ekọ se de be ya even some other media houses betimi platform aka wansem okọ TikToker justice for Ransford Coach Ibrahim yanchino Ghana police etima kwache Coach Ibrahim ba asad now ya kan Igbo King asem ye invite you into investigation ya chese omano chese timamuni ni de ba kwache no ba foreign na ne de ye mfi no justice for akwala no kure se wetima fo bi battle se bi wakoye ni sodomizing ni turumu kwa fere chocho na wetimi ama akwara ye wu obewia ante na ama na wu na coach nda so na nam ho coach Ghana coach nkra we are seeking justice for this kid is fine police fight me akwa chino am be prosecute no edi na asem ask yourself we say since when you started Nigeria must go Igbo must go mumpa mo mo krampo na nkrofo ma yekrum ha hu mo kidnap nkrofo until they should make sure say be sack nkrofo we no makom krum obeba we documented person we documented ye nim se wo foreigner wo dim kwase asem wo ya ntiwa ntuma ye be ku wana se de be ku okuru mo se da mo mfi mo se da omo ti se duko bi no be communication minister nteye gender minister nteye justice for Ransford and yasumni ye justice and okọ TikTok so that lumba japade na omo cha ko so se wa timodobro ni e de ye che wo ho no we don't talk about any other stuff. Eliama papa be boy krumu na yempo yenka wanse na captain be president na okosendi sika ene mo difo enkom hye emu sofo difo politics no moye weji bato no de ma bawumia na bawumia betima wini Kennedy na LED na see the sebi ensem hunu sem fon but gwene huhia na wose ka wansam hwese obi ba obi ma me obi yere 9 months 7 months wa hwe awo ni semu ni mo pressure ntesutie eduane die na o stress ho na wo kona wo ba na hwese 7 months account to no problem 7 months ko biti mi wo mane ba ye meti o me 7 months baby na meti ai enso me nipa ene ama me no wo kasa ene me nipa ma na wonya me so mfaso me nipa ma na nkofo nya me so mfaso 7 months biti mi awo akora me de na hye nko bentem na ba ye nipa wo ye kunu kwa nipa bonini ya kukunu kwa ni je fatu omodem child fatu omodem Ghana die enti so dogo bi no abe ye bia to wi ana fidie immigration for ye ku omo enti aban ne se won tese ye ku immigration for ya attack immigration for endra ya remind nkofo 9 e wo achimote security court enti aban ne se won tese ti ya remind nkofo no mo atimi akodi immigration officer edam ama baako maybe odano ayebo achibidin ba ko awu omo maka na ede baby ya ibo achibidi ba ko die omo kuna to atwene eho die yenko investigation yenko mu bi yen tighten security asa na ehu president bi wa bonten se ya mo mutu ni bi aka ho ana ya so nkofo ni bi akoka ho ya recruiting nkofo ni bi akoka ho se omo nya adwuma se de be ya obi antimi wuro yen kasi ya kulusu no because Niger close Chad close edientia because ye nyina ye ni matobrenche ma atonkofo wo ya sisi o modern refugee fo mu dwane ba Ghana be siki asalam esi Ghana na ye mu Europe Ghana na ye mu US esi kan nanga se ye mu Europe ye mu US by media o mu value ni change bibia because mu se kon ebetime si o krom to do they are running to hide somewhere and yet we are still talking blah 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 every day and night company for say omunti so do go bi no abe why Why? We are asking ourselves, why? NDC, why? NPP, why? Ghana leaders, why? Our kings and queens, why? The politicians and Gitwena Kasie, why? Muamu Kambi, why are you quiet? Why the media house are not reporting all these cases? Enipa mako 3 saying, enipa saying 320 people kiwonet na hyɛ dem no mo bokro no wia nkrofo dada nkrofo de kɔ 25 na suspect no matter gang no metima dada nipa 295 no ndo makoguram no mo bokro no na we save interfere ya tete mu ya gang a friend of criminology uko TikTok abi criminology no mo kyere ekrum fa so mu bi obi ka ablawada second traffic track wo mu akwa yesifa wia alarm wo like almost sunya sa ne man nyina. I will do a particular video about that. Ekun fa so ibeje wo car ekun be fa so ibe ye hu se bodanfo abeda wo area afa information kusi se ebitima be wiawo ebitima be fasika na wo da beto dem no enti so wo bi nko ade ya ne wo omunim time a wode beda nyina time a woda nda be wia no time a woni tita ho any time a woni betimi atemu achi wo nyina. They know these criminal people o matenasi esunya ade no o matenasi esunya ade no. I'll do special episode about that. Ghana is not safe. Hashtag Ghana is not safe. I believe the president between next way so. Yes sir. It's next month in December. Na adia kosu dia sokoso a wan hwa mebunu no hu omo de mra be shop nsem na nemu bo me no krom ha no haya Simaba TV bo mo de subscribe and like de busu ko ngonya kakraka from horses own mouth. Ghana Police Service no aye adwuma som e Kumase na QNet for makwachi omo ani arahosama isi e wodoma abusua hwe ho yi no bi nkum to obusuani bi fa se na obusuani bi no hwe no hu sese ne koso Ghana no man no si apini when ma born koso o man mu che ne ma papa na yehuno ye be ye kwan na be say people are not safe. We are not safe as Ghanaians. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye.